Good afternoon, everyone, and it's a great opportunity for us to be part of this platform, share our work. While they're fixing the slides, we're a non-profit NGO. We're running our 18th year, and to set a stage for what I'm going to say here, we do not have a school, but we have a resource center where we do a lot of work to support the rural children, or the rural government schools rather. And technology has been a part of us for at least 16 years of this. That helps us to replicate our projects, to transfer pedagogy, and to scale our projects. CLT STEM is basically the STEM idea of education is practiced with a group of children for about 7 to 8 villages in our after school center, which is also called the CLT Computer Clubhouse, which is part of the Intel Computer Clubhouse, where MIT Media Lab and Boston Museum of Science with the constructivist learning approach, robotics and all of that is happening. But however, we realized we wanted to scale our program, so basically we're doing a lot of digital resources to take it across to other villages where we apply the STEM principles for the curricula aligned content that we've been developing in English and Kannada, and we are very much interested in doing the other local languages, and we've already set a focus on Marathi and Hindi. That's going to be in the pipeline. And 5th through 10th, the focus is on science and mathematics, English grammar, but how we apply the STEM principles for resources for remote schools. So it's basically about teaching and learning resources for STEM education. Okay. This is only a 30-second video, so it's not. Like I said, this is an after-school center where many village children come, and like Arvind Gupta's contemporary, there is another Karnataka science resource person, Dr. Baluragi. He is a science resource person, and he set a lot of hands-on experiments with locally available material, and he is the one who has done a whole lot of experiment that we have video captured and sending it across to schools. You can close that. We also received Millennium Alliance Award for low cost innovation for FICCI and USAID. The idea is to showcase the best practices and to be able to scale this model across, and few other awards that you could see. But most of them have been for e-learning, and this initiative is for CLT STEM basically. So this is an educated focused group, so I don't need to talk about the statistics. The rural India lacking teachers that have the expertise to teach science and mathematics especially, and what is it that we could do from our resource center so that we could expose them to the best practices, or they could even emulate some simple experiments with the locally available material. That's our focus. So like we said, our focus is for K through 12th. At the moment, we have covered 5th through 10th and English and Kannada language, and a whole lot of activity-based learning with the constructivist learning approach, inquiry-based pedagogy, all of that is developed, and we send it across to schools in low-cost either DVDs. We'll talk a little more about the infrastructure at the end of the slides. Like I said, it's
Place
about
the
the
magnetic
approach.
needle on the pivot, which is at the center of the coil.
Can you escape it? Go back. Yeah. So like I said, the focus is on the teachers that are sitting in very rural areas, how we can give access to good pedagogy, good best practices for STEM, and how do we create these resources. Go to the next slide, please. That's the idea. And so this is just a glimpse into how the content looks like when we send the video. It has the voiceover and a whole lot of hands-on experiments. Many of the other experiments, this is a little more complex, they can actually do it in their own environment. You want to go one slide? Yeah. So these are basically still pictures from the videos. As you could see, they are very, very simple experiments. Air has occupies space, you know, the air has the pressure part of it. All of this, they can actually emulate it. And this has happened. We're already in about close to 1,000 village classrooms. and we could see some of the teachers actually emulating or some of the students doing it. We have also, other than the DVD and all of that, we have also done distance education where our taught teachers, with Cisco partnership, we did 3 years of distance education, but that was a little bit difficult to scale because of the internet connectivity and all of that. So our focus right now is on Android devices, Windows-based devices. Keep moving. So again, giving you samples of how the content activity-based, we give a lot of activity-based learning for them, step by step, about how they could do the experiment, what's the learning that they did, observations, and making notes. Sachin, keep moving. You were so slow. Keep moving, yeah. So basically, it's okay, you can keep moving. Yeah, that's why keep moving. So it's a hub and spoke model where CLT Resource Center has a lot of subject experts, pedagogy experts coming together. They're also from the textbook community, just to give a little bit of framework. But we take it beyond the textbooks and instill science and mathematical and technology concepts, even engineering concepts. These are some of the hands-on experiments we have done in our own local environment. And this is our computer clubhouse where the kids are they're mentored basically to do all of these kind of stuff. You have to go faster. The content basket is video lectures, animations, slides, PDFs, all of that. Like I said, we are already in about 1,000 village classrooms, and we are planning to scale. These are some of the devices that we have been using. And this is the Selco Menda Foundation, with their also solar-based e-learning. But what we are trying to add to this, and also television, this thing, just low-cost technology with whatever is available. And what we would like to add to this are actually hands-on science kits, partnering with other people, and supplementing these to the village schools with the hands-on science kits. Thank you very much.